CPAP blowing in the dead of night, helping me to breathe so I don't die. But man, I'm dry, and I can't get this monster seal, it's blowing in my eyes. CPAP blowing in the dead of night, and when I wake up in the morning, I'm not tired, I'm energized. And my wife no longer punches me or rolls me on my side. Happy wife, happy life. Man, it's good to feel alive. Mask on tight, humidified. Well, I can't wait for bed tonight. CPAP blowing in the dead of night, I'm not sleeping in the spare bedroom tonight. I'll close my eyes and wake up in the morning with you right here by my side. Wake up in the morning, we can watch the sunrise. Wake up in the morning feeling good to be alive.